Hello everybody and welcome to the Sous Vide cooking unit. For those not familiar, this is a method of cooking, namely used for meat, but also for other stuff, that's used to ensure proper doneness every single time. The unit you see in front of you I have recently finished building, and today I'm going to explain how it works and demonstrate its usage. So as you can see on the front, we have an attractive panel with both an LCD screen and a keypad. Over here on the side, you can see two separated tanks. The right side contains the electronics. The inside contains three heating elements, two of which are independently controlled, and a bubbler that's attached to an air pump in the bottom of the electronics bay. Before turning on the unit, we first need to fill up the water tank in order to prevent the heating elements from shorting out. Now that we've filled the tank with water, we can turn it on. The machine is turned on just by plugging it in, and we can see the LCD screen light up and begin its startup process. The default set temperature is 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and currently our water reads at 51.8 degrees. From here we can adjust the temperature to anything we like, which is determined by cooking tables depending on what you're cooking and how fast you need it to get done. Now we'll go ahead and enter a new temperature in order for the temperature to start changing. You press any button and then follow the on-screen commands. For this demonstration, we'll be using a temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We just enter the temperature and press pound to set it. Now relays will turn on and begin heating the water. This will take about half an hour to come up to temperature, at which point we'll come back to it. Here you can now see the bubbler properly working, which will be circulating the water in the tank, keeping the temperature even throughout the cooking time. Our tank has now come up to temperature, as you can see from the screen, and now is prepared for cooking. The system will now try to maintain its temperature no matter temperature fluctuations outside the tank. This is done by using an embedded thermometer tied into an Arduino. All that's left to do is to vacuum bag whatever item we want to cook and drop it in and let it cook for times as stated in a time and temperature table. Hope you've enjoyed learning about my sous vide cooking project. If you're interested in this method of cooking or the machines to use it, resources are available both online and in print from various sources. Thank you.